right, so we're gonna adjust this lower segment here. All right, this one's gonna be a little bit higher, so I'm gonna bring her around the corner here. Wiggle your toes if you can still feel them. Yourself? All right, we're gonna roll back over the top of it here. And then...
Oh, shit. What? What? Oh. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.
All right. Oh. All right, same thing back the other way.
Okay.
How'd that one go? Is it the least scary one?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna go there and there.
I feel like I know when to expect it.
This one?
Yeah.
So like that. Beautiful. All right, lean your back. These knees go here. Squeeze both legs together real hard. Squeeze it. There it is.
Ooh.
So let's go here and here. This one's straight. And we'll cross you over.
Oh.
There we go. Okay. Back the other way. Very nice. See your ankles? Oh yeah. That one's definitely stuck. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe that one.
That one was
All right,
great.
flip over.
Oh.
And you can see how this side's lower now than this side. So this one we're gonna go. There it is.
Oh, wow.
And one more here. Look up a little bit.
Oh.
Right here. Okay. And look up a little bit. And look down now.
Oh my god.
And up there. All right, let's clear this one first. So we're gonna come right around here. And drop that right shoulder down just a little bit.
Oh, dear God.
And right here. And this one's gonna go right there.
Oh my God. What was that? Was that normal? That was like 30 cracks. Some ribs out right here. You can see them. What do you mean? What do you mean?
What do you mean? It means you're twisted. Like Keith Sweat. Now we'll pull this arm out. Give yourself a big hug right there. And then we'll bring it all the way over.
Oh, no.
There we go. And then the other way. Go right there. Same thing.
Sorry, I'm doing it wrong. Oh.
Almost.
Oh!
Perfect. Okay, lay on your back. Let's see what we got here. And the back. All right, I'll go right here and right here. Squeeze both legs together real tight. Squeeze, 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 and push apart. Excellent. All right, sit back up and face that way for me. Go right here. Perfect. Nice, all there. Yeah, pretty good there too. Yeah, sometimes when the pelvis is stuck like that, the only thing that'll help it is getting hammered in the back. Okay, right leg up again. There we go.
Oh. That's the good stuff.
Sweet.
Love that. Thank you.
Yeah, it's mostly there.
Ooh, wow. Oh my goodness.
There we go. Okay. This one's gonna come right in there.
Oh, wow. Ooh. Ooh, my goodness. I'll be taller now.
There you go. And squeeze both legs together real hard. Squeeze. Nice. Okay, we'll switch sides. Can I pop before we went?
I know.
Back over this, it's important. Okay, a little tighter with your arms. Yeah, there we go. Go in there.
Ooh, yeah, we got it.
Got it. Go right back over like that. Deep breath in and blow it out.
Ah.
Very nice.
Oh, I hope you guys heard that.
We're gonna do a little move here too. So bring it around the corner. Wiggle your left big toe a little bit.
Wiggle it?
Yep.
Ooh, hoo, hoo. I like that. I mean, I like that a lot. Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, and this time I just want you to drop your left shoulder down a little bit.
The art of distraction.
Yeah, it's just a thumb.
Oh my goodness. Can you check my elbows too?
And take a deep breath in and blow it out.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we'll see in a second, but I think that rib was the one. So we're gonna clear out the bottom part here as well. Opposite right here. Nope, just the one. It's the one you like.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Good. All right, let's clear that left side first. So we're gonna go right there.
God, that's so loud.
Totes but goats. All right. There we go.
I felt that in my
Good. Good. All right, we'll go there. Excellent. Go back this way. You got my hand scoot all the way to the edge. So this is the hip one. So Tony Robbins said what now?
He was saying that this is just like such an amazing thing to do for yourself that a lot of people don't take advantage of and realize how bad.
Deep breath and blow out. Very good.
What happened?
Wrists and thumbs.
Might need these. That's a good one. These are good. Let's check here. Let's try this one. Dun, 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 dun. That one's actually pretty good. Yeah, just that wrist. Breath in, breathe out.
Yep.
Get this one. So you didn't think you had any more in you, did you? Breath in,
There's more.
breathe out. Okay. Put on that one too. Oh, that was a good one.
So good.
Eso. Look up. Good there. I'm gonna sit into your shoulders.
Yeah.
Sassy.
Mm-hmm.
That's all she knows how to be.
Oh, you hear that?
How often is this ideal?
Pull. Once a month maybe. If you're do your rehab, you ain't gotta do all that.
So me and thanks.
Me and huh?
Me and Yvette were talking about.
Those are big spots.
Hold on, I'll tell you.
Good there.
Such a difference, especially this last one.
Nice, stuck right there. So I'm gonna clear that bottom one first. Oh, what? You're fine. Just gonna go into there. Yep. And deep breath. And blow it all the way out. Very nice. Good.
Take a deep breath in and out.
Nice. Not that one. Then and blow it out. There we go.